Hey guys, Raptor Online here again. I have another unboxing video for you. Today it's more of a equipment upgrade. I got a new Wi-Fi router, and the old one, it's good for streaming video sometimes, but sometimes it'll cut out and freeze while watching YouTube, Netflix. It didn't matter, it would freeze, even though I was the only one in the house at the time. So my video games do it all the time. You can ask anybody that's in the videos that I post. I get kicked offline a lot. So I got a new router trying to solve this issue. Here it is. It says Linksys. And I'm not going to try to show you guys that. I'll show you which one it is though, if it'll focus. It's probably not going to focus though. So I'll just read it to you. It is the WRT1900AC. Very expensive for a router. It costs as much as a brand new PS3. So, but has the range of 150 feet, multiple levels of a house. Constant connection, so it should be good. Pretty big box. But here we go. See what's inside this. I don't know how it's going to come out of the box. It's probably a box in a box, actually. Sorry for getting dizzy. And again, this is from Amazon, and I know I didn't say that before, but I ordered the PlayStation 4 bundle from Amazon, and it came really quickly. I ordered this 2 days ago, so it's already here. Oh, got a phone call. Alright. Here's the quick start guide. There you go, you can see it now. WRT1900AC. And it's got a disc. Try not to get fingerprints on it. Got a disc. Just for software, obviously. Little setup guide, blah blah blah. Wires everywhere. Got a AC power adapter. Okay. Got the one that plugs into the wall. Ethernet cable. Probably about 5 feet of it. And then here's the antennas. There's 4 of them. And that's it for the box. And there's the router. This fun wrap. That's the chain. Beautiful. Looks pretty sick. Probably weighs about 3 pounds, 4 pounds maybe. So I should have enough processing power to keep me connected. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 antenna connections, and then 4 Ethernet. That's for internet to hook up to the modem. USB 2, it's at 3.0. My focus sucks on this iPod Touch. But it's a USB 3.0. And then the next one is USB and eSATA. Not sure what that is. Haven't heard of that one before. And then power, off on. reset. So it has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. It says it right there. It's hard to read for you, but I can read it. Anyways, yeah, like I said, this thing right here, brand new, costs the same as a brand new PS3, which runs about $250, and then I have the extended warranty for 3 years. It covers everything hardware and software related. So here you go. That's all that comes in the box from Amazon. Or I ordered it from Amazon. That's all that comes in the box for the Linksys. They sell it at Walmart, Best Buy, all your name brand stores.